How much time does it take to actually build a certification program? That's a question I get asked a lot. Now, my general answer is about 90 days. Some have done it in 10 weeks, others take longer. So let's say that you have this incredible process that transforms others. Great. Do you have a training environment already? Have you created courses and have you sold them? Do you know that they work? Well, that's step one. Step two is, do you have a sales process? If not, you can work that out. Finally, what you're going to need is a culture program. You're going to need to work with me to help you build your culture and have it ready so that even before the first person shows up, it's in place. With those components and a few other things like a funnel and sales letters, you could be ready to launch in about 10 weeks to 3 months. Now, what I'd love to do is show you step by step exactly how to do that. And in my upcoming masterclass, I'm going to show you all the pieces you need to get ready. So go to certificationmentorship.com and reserve your seat before we're completely full. See you soon.